Hello everyone, welcome to the video. And in today's video, we are going to talk about Python tutorial for beginners, introduction and installation. So Python is one of the most popular programming languages today. And if you are a beginner and you want to learn programming, then Python is the most sought out programming languages today owing to the easy syntax and the growing community support. So whether you are trying to build a calculator or you're trying to build a web application or you are even training artificial intelligence, Python does it all. With its extensive libraries and the strong support that it has, Python makes it easy to create everything that you want. Be it automation, be it AI, be it web application, you name it, Python can do it. So in this video, we will see the basics of Python, that is what Python is and how we can install it. And in the later videos, we are going to cover the advanced topics of Python. So this video focuses on the introduction and the installation, what Python is, why is it popular, what are the job roles that Python offers us, and then we'll see how we can install it onto our system. So let's start the video. So what is Python? Well, Python is an open source, object-oriented, high-level, general-purpose programming language. So let's break it down step by step to understand what all these means. So open source means that the code is open to all, that anyone who wants to contribute to the project can easily do that. So it's open source. The code base is public and people can contribute to the project if they want. Object oriented means this deals with the concept of objects and classes. That is, a class is created and the object deals with their class or talks to the class. It follows the principles of the object oriented programming such as abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. So it's an object oriented programming language. It's high level, which means the syntax is purely English. So it's human friendly and not machine friendly. So if you read the syntax, you can easily understand it. It's a high level programming language, and general purpose programming means you can create anything with it. You can create an AI model, you can create a web application, you can do automation, you can create a simple calculator, you name it, and you can create it with Python. So this is a general purpose programming language that can be used to create anything you want. So this is the power of Python. Then why is Python so popular? As we have seen that Python is a very human friendly syntax, so it's easy to write, read and debug. So if we write a code in Java, then in Java we have to write 4 to 5 lines of code to print a simple message on the screen. But same in Python, we just write one line and the message is printed onto the screen. Ki, hello, welcome to the video. So the Python syntax is very simple and human friendly. Then it provides us the comprehensive libraries and modules. All the libraries and modules in Python help the user to do various tasks, that if they want to analyze data, if they want to work with ML models, if they want to do any data visualization, then the libraries and modules help them to do that task. It has many applications in domains such as data science, machine learning, web development, AI, and we'll see the job roles that Python offers us ahead. So this works in various domains such as in data science, in machine learning, web development, AI, etc. through various modules and frameworks, and has a very huge support community. So if you get stuck anywhere or if you have any problems anywhere, then the community support is there to help you to develop and to improve the things that you are doing. So now we have covered the popularity of why Python is so popular. Next topic is to see what is Python used for. So the first important Python use is for data analysis. So data is a very important part of any organization, of any industry, and most of the companies, once they get the data, they gather it, they manipulate it, and then they analyze the relevant data that they have to extract meaningful insights from it. So whatever data they get, they first extract it, then they manipulate it and analyze it to get meaningful insights. And those insights can help them to get better, to analyze what products are working, what services are working, where they have to make changes and other things. So Python is valuable here because in addition to the libraries that Python provides, it has a collection of modules designed specifically to analyze data. And the most important library for conducting data analysis are NumPy and Pandas. So NumPy and Pandas help the organizations to analyze data and to extract meaningful insights from it. Then is data visualization, which is a part of data analysis. So data visualization is a part of data analysis. that represents the information which is clean and which is raw in a insightful form. So whatever data that we have got from data analysis, that data here is visualized in an insightful form, such as in a form of charts, in a form of histograms and other things, to gain more insights from the data. And the most important tool for doing this is Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a data visualization tool that helps the user to visualize the data in a format that can be easily understood. Data visualization helps us to visualize the data in a more simple format through Matplotlib libraries, and also with the help of bar charts and histograms through the different modules that Python provides to help the user visualize or analyze the data more effectively. So the next area is machine learning, which is a core of most of the data science stuff. So this is a field of AI which uses algorithms to train machines to learn patterns and trends from data it gets. So this AI uses algorithms to train machines to understand to understand the trends it gets from the data. So with Python, we can create a machine learning model with a few lines of code that does most of the work. So the most important or the most common libraries of Python for machine learning are scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch. So these are the three libraries that provides the user the machine learning models to work with, and using that the algorithm can understand the trends and predict the next move. The next one is AI and deep learning. So Python plays a very central role in artificial intelligence and deep learning with libraries such as Spacey, Hugging Face transformers. They enable the tasks such as sentiment analysis, the language translation, the text summarization, and the chatbot development. So Python versatility here allows the developers to implement models and train their custom applications to work with AI and deep learning. Also with libraries such as OpenCV, PyTorch, and TensorFlow, Python leads in the field of computer vision as well. So since Python has given us a lot of libraries and Python has a deep network of modules, so to work with these modules, we need some skills and we need the job roles to understand these libraries and to work ahead with them. The different job roles or the different jobs that need Python are scientist, which skills such as pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, machine learning, and data visualization. After this, the career path that you can choose is a data scientist. If you want to go ahead with a data analyst, then you need to have understanding of Python, SQL to create tables and understand the data management and data handling, pandas, data cleaning, data visualization, and others. If you want to go ahead with machine learning and be a machine learning expert, then you need to have the skills of Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, deep learning, and model deployment to understand how the algorithms work and how Python does the things behind the hood. If you want to be a web developer, then you need to have understanding of Django and the Flask frameworks that Python offers us. Some understanding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and to secure the application, you need to have understanding of web security. All right. And the last is to a DevOps engineer. If you wish to be a DevOps engineer, then you need to have the understanding of Python, cloud platforms, that is how cloud works, how our applications deployed, such as on AWS, on GCP, the CI/CD pipelines, Docker, and Kubernetes. After this, you can be a DevOps engineer, and for a data engineer, the same for Python, ELT processes, big data tools, and data warehousing. These are the required career paths. You can go ahead with Python and the different libraries that Python provides us. So now we'll see how we can install Python onto our system and create a program in that. So now the next step is to install Python onto our system. For that, go to the browser and type Python download, and that will take you to the link python.org. Click on download Python, and that will pick the operating system that you have. So click the button download Python. This is the latest version 3.13.5. If you are a Windows user, do not forget to add Python to path, that you will have the option to click the checkbox to add Python to path. So otherwise it will throw errors that Python is not installed properly. So once the installation is done and Python is downloaded, go to a terminal and type Python version to check if it's successfully installed or not. If the command is not found, then you can also use Python 3, and now you'll see Python is successfully installed, the latest version 3, the 13.5, which is, if you're getting this, it means Python is not successfully installed. So the next step is to write a program. So for that, you can either write a program using Notepad, or you can install Jupyter Notebook onto your system by running pip install notebook and then running the notebook through Jupyter Notebook, or you can either use an IDE of your choice. IDE commonly used for Python is PyCharm, with a free version and a pro version with 1 month of pro included. This is a trial version, and but you will also get a free version of PyCharm. But I'll be using Visual Studio Code here, and to use Visual Studio Code as the Python IDE, we have to install Python. So first of all, we'll go to extensions and search for Python here, and the one with the this one with from Microsoft, we have to install it onto the Visual Studio Code. So Python by Microsoft, just Python, no debugger or nothing, just Python by Microsoft, we have to install it onto our system, and then once we are done, we can write a Python code here and run it. We'll see the output here, the main.py file, which is printing hello world. The import math function, the square root of math is 5, and printing the letters, sorry, printing the numbers here with the separators as dash dash. So this is printing 1 dash dash 2 dash dash 3 dash dash 4, and this is all a Python file. So this will successfully run a Python file in the Visual Studio Code by installing Python here from Microsoft. So this was all for this video. In the next video, we'll see variables, data types, and loops in Python. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you very much.